Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be talking you through how to make the second and third layer of your neural network. So the second layer is input, so layer 2 input wants to be the sum of the first layer's predictions, so layer 1 pred. Then we want to do layers 2 predictions are going to be a list, and then for NWLM and then NBLM in zip. So this is basically saying for the element in node weight and for the element in node B. And then here we have to specify what lists we're getting them from. So we're getting them from node weights 2 and node bias 2. And then we want to do pred. So we redefine the pred. Wants to be layer 2 input times by NWLM add on NBLM. Then we want to do layer 2 pred dot append pred, and that's the second layer done. Now for the third layer we want layer 3 input to equal the sum of layer 2 prediction. So then we want to do for NWLM, comma, NBLM in zip, node weight 2 and node bias 2. And then we want to do, we've already done 2, so that wants to be 3, that wants to be 3. Then all we want to do is we want to pred equals layer 3 input times by WLM add on NBLM. Then we want to do, we have not defined layer 3 pred. So let's go layer 3 pred and equals a list. Then all we want to do is we want to do layer 3 pred dot append, so that we add it to the list pred. That's layers 2 and 3 for you. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Yeah, sorry about the slight video delay. My computer went a bit crazy, so I had to power wash it. But I've fixed it now, so video should be back to normal. So one tomorrow. Yeah. Please, if you like the videos, like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. I know pretty much every YouTuber says that, but it really does, especially when you're a small creator like me. So thank you for watching, and I'll have part 3 out tomorrow. Have a good day.